Today we're going to talk about making kink repairs in Uponor PEX-a pipe. Now it's not something that you have to do very often because Uponor pipe is the most flexible PEX pipe on the market, but occasionally you'll get a kink in the pipe and you'll want to make a repair. Typically that happens when I'm putting in a radiant floor. Sometimes if I'm not paying attention, I'll accidentally get the pipe too tight. When that kink gets in there, easily repairable with Uponor pipe, we can make that repair. In order to make a kink repair in Uponor PEX-a pipe, what we're going to do is use a heat gun like this to heat the pipe up. When the pipe is heated, it will return back to its original size and shape and dimensional tolerances and be no more likely to fail here than anywhere else in the system. So what we're going to do, turn the heat gun on and start applying some gentle heat. I do want to caution you, it's tempting to use a propane or a MAP gas torch in these types of situations. That is much too high of heat to make a repair in Uponor PEX pipe. What we want to do is use a heat gun and get this heated up. Now you can see it's starting to turn a little bit clear. Everything's going back to its original size and shape. So now that we have it heated up and it's back to shape, it's a good idea to keep the pressure off of that so that it can cool back to its original dimensions. Now that everything's cooled, we can put this right back into the channel and start up our system. So again, Uponor PEX-a pipe is kink repairable, meaning you don't have to replace an entire 300-foot loop just because of a small mistake in routing your in-floor piping.